toboggans this way. Off they go.
Do you want to go on first?
I think this is a fast one. Well done, you get. All aboard.
Wait, we've got those 3 years.
Move up a bit then. Oh, we're ready.
Als je gaat vinden, dus nou, kijk het erin.
Here we go.
This is crazy. Wee!
Bye bye.
Als pas van de pas hoor.
Oh. Hey! It's good, isn't it?
Oh, is dat? We zijn
So cool! Oh my god, this is so
Nou,
cool!
dat is wel.
It's a weird drive.
Kijk, gaat onderaan. Dat is niet toch?
Close to the edge with him. It's through. Hello. Are we having fun?
Als je het keer ziet.
See you.
Dat is wel.
This is how you put the fun in Funchal. Everything is good so far? Great, yeah. Where are you from? Wales. UK. Having fun? See if we can catch them in front. Do you reckon we can catch them? These guys, they've got it overtaken. Got some top drivers here.
I know you're the best one.
Top drivers. Oh, we're in no time at this rate.
Wait, you need to go in all funny.
Oh, watch out.
Ze vandaan, Gil, ze vandaan.
Car coming. Hello.
Ze vandaan. Ah! Ah, passa. Agora passa. Olha.
Everything is good?
Great, thank you, yeah. Let's give us a tow. Give us a tow for this bit.
Oh, did we do it already?
I think we're almost to the bottom now. They're catching us up behind. It's another one catching us up. That's where they booked the toboggans in for their MOT. These guys are looking tired. They're drinking too much on the all-inclusive buffet. Zasłowa dekara. Pod zakazem bani. Trzeba być to primeiro. Olha outro para lavar a cara, sabe como é? Olha quando eu dou ele passa só por cima da urna.
I can be like this one.
Vamos no banho, deixa eu lavar o
Olha, nunca te aconteceu. Vai ficar mais nas algeberas? Vamos atrás aqui para a brasileira.
It looks a bit steeper down here. I think we might go back to sliding in a sec. This is a scary bit of part, yeah. It is, yeah. This is the wild bit.
Pequena palmova.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Deixa eu no quarto do lote aqui. Deixa eu isso aqui, ótimo, para plástico. Sim.
Made it. Thank you very much. Okay, cheers, drive. No wonder they slid down. Look how steep the hill is. That ain't hill. That ain't hill. That ain't hill. That ain't hill. That ain't hill.
That is a hill. That is a hill.
So how was the Funchal toboggan?
Amazing. I would do it like a 10 million more times. 10 out of 10. It was the best. You have to do this if you come to Madeira. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and share this with your friends. Bye!